along. Get him out of here.
He's trying to get the hot dog.
I'm gonna move these so Shigure cannot get them. Oh, just girl all you want. Don't growl. Not growl. No, now he's coughing. And we're waiting for it to cook. I'm very impatient. I don't like waiting for eggs to cook.
I can see it.
Huh, I think it's finally starting. Okay. Start moving this around. Stir it. And this is when we get the hot dogs. Okay. I put them on this tray. Now we just make them roll in there. Just get that last bit in there. And that. There. They're in there. Now, since it's finally starting to cook, we stir it around. This is going to be very delicious when you try it. And it's cooking. So we got Yuki in here, we got Kyo in here, we got Ren, and we got Rin. Delicious. Oh, I love to hear it sizzle. It's going to be delicious. Now, we want to cook it until it turns brown. Shigure, get out!
Shigure,
get away!
Out.
There. Almost done here. Sizzle. I wish I could really make the members sizzle like this.
Go.
That would be wonderful. Kagura, did you hurt yourself? Oh my god.
Who do you think? I just out for nothing.
Are you going to talk to me that way?
Yes.
I'll come after you.
I thought you liked me.
No! There we go. I think they're done. So,
Ow.
we take it off the stove and we put it onto a cooler spot. There we go. And as that cools down, we get a bowl for it. I have a bowl over there. Don't touch the egg! Go away!
It's okay, I'll get rid of her.
Both of you, be quiet.
Hey, I'm the one holding this thing.
Okay, now that we... Oh, yeah, Shigure, you just eat that.
Dropping
Disgusting little dog.
Dropping it for the dog.
Okay, so here we have it. Hot dog and eggs. It's very delicious. Oh, and another thing. If any of you ever try making a video without my permission again, you're going to get the cat's room. I'm not kidding. I'm exhausted now. I'm going to go take a nap.
Go take a nap!